My video is about getting rid of the pop-ups by the site unityworks.com. This site, unityworks.com, is a dangerous site. It targets Google, Chrome, and other browsers. It tries to make you basically download and install some unwanted browser extensions which may actually operate as adware type extensions. And if you see these pop-ups by the site unityworks.com, be very careful and don't interact with these pop-ups. Just leave this deceptive page and don't install what these pop-ups might promote. I recommend you to scan your system with Combo Cleaner, so go to the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install the program, and then once it is successfully installed, start carefully researching your computer. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and then eliminate all other threats which might still remain on your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.